At Motionics, we offer several wireless gauges for different industrial applications, as well as a range of wireless, ready-to-use kits. One of the major applications of these kits is a pile load test. In pile load testing, you usually need to measure deflection and load. As you can see here, I have several wireless gauges including multiple blue dial deflection gauges, a blue PSI Bluetooth pressure sensor, and a blue pot Bluetooth string pot for measuring wireless deflection at longer ranges. I also have one of our big wireless tension load gauges for measuring loads. Load testing is common for several industrial applications. We offer other wireless solutions outside of these two load gauges, but we're going to take a look at this specific third-party gauge that we integrate with our MultiGage platform. We'll show how it works and how it can be used alongside our other wireless gauges for pile load tests. A core part of our solution is our MultiGage software, which is our platform for multi-channel measurement. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how you can monitor all of these gauges at the same time with the MultiGage iPad app. So I'm going to start by selecting New Measurement. I'll tap the plus icon, and I'll select all of the gauges I want to connect. You can see immediately it displays all of the wireless gauges live in real time. By selecting the name, I can see the signal strength and battery level. I can also view options for adjusting the sampling rate and add a name tag if I want. In settings, I can change the load cell unit to tons, kilonewtons, kilograms, or pounds. I'll tap the record button to begin capturing. As I have the data rate set to 1 sample per second, it will capture a reading every second. When I'm done, I'll tap the button again to stop the test and save it under my location and machine. To view your saved data, go back to the home page. Select Measurements and find your machine. You can see all the recorded data in the table. Plot them in a graph. Or export as a CSV to share with your computer or any other device you have. I'm demonstrating on the iPad app, but the MultiGage Windows software offers even more capabilities, including the option to record your results directly into an Excel file. To connect these gauges to a Windows PC, you need our Bluetooth USB dongle. As I explained, this is a tension-type load cell. We have compression load gauges too, and we sell modular kits where you can choose your own gauges and select the quantity and ranges you need. Visit our website to learn more, or contact us if you need any other custom wireless solutions for your next project.